Where'd it go? There it is. Here he comes. Are you ready? Where is it? There it is. Ah! Oh, look out! I'm telling you, it's running really, really smooth. Really smooth. That was a problem all week. I am so dumb. I saw that wheel was a little rough and I polished it, but I didn't see where it was getting rough from. Boy, is this running smooth. Through New York City, down through Champaign, into the farm country, through a mountain, coming out of the mountain, blowing that whistle, get out of the way, coming through Sante Fe. Woo, doggies. Smooth as glass. Listen to that run. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We are cutting and availing. I'm losing power down there. I'm gonna figure that out. Well, this thing will scoot. When I get out in the open speed, this transformer will take it up to 22 volts. It will fly off the track if I'm not careful. But when I get into this section right here, it just really slows down. So I gotta put another jumper, you know, track clip. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put another track clip right here in this section. That ought to take care of it. Look over there. It gets over there, whoosh, takes off. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits. Oh, I'm at 5:30. It's train time's over. I am so glad. Headlight goes on. It goes forward. Red lights. Backup lights on. Oh, great. Everything's working. And there's the smoke. We can sit here at idle. If I put it in neutral. There, I'm in neutral now. Crank that baby up and it just sits there and smokes. See it? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, gang. I am Dunsky. Who wants it? Who wants this baby? I'm missing a screw. I need more screws in this thing. I couldn't find enough. I only got one damn screw back here. I need a couple, two up here to hold that down. But it's ready. It has AC twin drive with a conventional vintage reverse. It has a soundboard and a smoke engine, and it is ready with or without these cars. I can use these cars if you don't want them. I'm thinking 250 is a set, maybe 200, maybe if I'm generous. I have to have at least 150 for the engine. And so you guys think it over. It's a chrome set. It has some wear on it. It's not perfect. I've touched it up and cleaned it. But as you saw, the lights work. It rolls real smooth. The whole set runs and looks pretty darn nice. If you want to do, you could put a red stripe down those cars to tie the red together, I suppose. I don't know. Anyway, there it is. It's going. I'm done with it. I'm going to put it in a box until it ships. Okay. Bye, guys.